The 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, four-wheel drive, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.